Good morning, everybody. Here we go. Little bit of morning fishing today. Gonna try to do catch, clean, and or cook. Key success factor will be locating the fish. Number 2, catching the fish. And number 3, the cooking will take care of itself. We're in for one today here, people. Look at this beautiful little deal. All out here. Oh look, there's Susan. The little tri-haul. Ready to go for a spin. Tune in, guys. Hold on to your pants because we're going for a ride. Well, of course, I catch one when I'm not filming. It's a little tougher than you thought. Filming with an iPhone. Kid's got to get a GoPro apparently. Couple marks. See if we can't get one to bite. They're all high though. Very high. I have to switch up my game here. Okay, fish on. Let's see what we got here. Doesn't feel real big, but oh, little baby boo-boo. I didn't know I'm netting it, but ooh, perfect, and it gets off in the net. Little walleye, little gold-eyed, little golden walleye. Here we go. It's just a little guy. We'll throw him back, but gotta love the fight. Gotta love the fight. Fish number 4. Feels decent. Feels so good to catch a fish. Oh yeah. Perfect. And there you have it, folks. That's our limit for today. This one's a little smaller, but nonetheless, she'll do. And oh, will she do? Fish number 4, yes, limited out. Fish number 5. SD is pumping fish today. You found the spot. You just gotta find the spot. Sometimes you just gotta find the spot. Nothing better. Beautiful walleyes around here. Like, come on. I actually might change this guy out. He's decent. That's a perfect eater. Absolutely perfect. I'm gonna switch him out for this smaller one. Bye-bye. Let's go. Fish 6. It's good. It's a good one. This is a big fucking fish. Freaking sorry. Oh. Okay. Be calm. This is big. This is fucking big. This is big. This is fucking huge. Come on, baby. Get in my boat. Oh, yes! Yes, sir! Oh, God. Oh, my God. Beautiful. That is unbelievable, you guys. Look at that. That is a big heater of a fish. Let's get him weighed quickly and back to the motherland. Fuck, that's huge. 5 pounds, 2 ounce, nice Walter. Yeah, yeah, one more good look at him. Oh, God, she's beauty. And we'll put him back. Whew. Oh, thank you, buddy. Oh, that is fun. Wow, so happy I got that on film. Oh, yeah. All right, we are back at the house, aka filleting station. I'm gonna do a little run through of how I fillet a walleye. It may not be how everybody fillets a walleye, but this is how I'll do it. I'm gonna get my wife to hold the camera, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, first things first, nice sharp filleting knife. This is something that I do. I bet you not a lot of people do this, but right here, this is actually fantastic meat. This is what they call the walleye wing. And what you do is you just cut right behind those 2 pins there and through. And right there is beautiful. I'll show you guys how to cook that in the cooking portion. Okay, now what we're gonna do is just come right behind the fin here. I cut it a little bit of a diagonal, right through, right to the backbone until you feel the bones, and then just pin bones along the back. I'm just going about a 1/2 inch in on my knife. You can kind of feel them right above the backbone there. And then as soon as you get past that dorsal fin, you can kind of just tell when the bones end. You go right through, all the way through. And then what you're gonna do is just bring your knife down gently, follow that, and right through, okay? And then come back, and then let your knife do the work. You're just gonna go through these pin bones here. And what I do is I actually just let my knife go right over the rib cage. A lot of people just take the fillet off and take the rib cage bone off after, but I find you lose a lot of meat doing it that way. Okay, there's a fillet. Now, skin them, knife down at a 45-degree angle, and just let the knife kind of do the work. If I can grab onto them. Like that. Now here's a cool little trick. This is called zippering a fish. What you're gonna do is there's a little line that you see right here. You're gonna cut on either side, just a little slit on either side of that line. What you're gonna do is just pull. One boneless fillet, one more, pull. And look at that, like no meat is lost on that. And there's another fillet right there. Boom. We'll see you guys in the kitchen. Okie dokie. Let's get this fish in a big old bath of love, okay? Now this I've talked about before. This is Everglades seasoning. I order it online. I actually follow a channel called Deer Meat for Dinner. This guy's absolutely obsessed with this stuff. And I was like, yeah, it's whatever, I'll order it, see what it tastes like. And it's absolutely fantastic. So what I usually do, little dusting. Next, my secret weapon. Little mouse turd. That'll get you going. That'll get you feeling great. And, not to mention, some Sriracha. Mix this all up. Let that sit for 20 minutes, 2 hours, overnight, whatever you want, whenever you're ready to cook. And after that, throw that in some flour, cook in some oil. Bada boom, bada bing. Bob's your uncle. You're done. I'll show you that in a bit. Okay. We're back in the kitchen. New clothes, new hat. And look, there's a kid right there. His name's Eli. He's my son, and he's a beauty. And this is who I'm cooking for right now. So, what we're gonna do is, I showed you earlier, the mustard. Take a look at that. Mustard, Sriracha, and Everglades. I know it sounds crazy, but people are gonna say, what does that taste? And you're gonna be like, mustard. Or you keep it as a secret and don't tell anybody. But I just dust it lightly with flour, okay? Don't have to mix it in a bag, dust it lightly. Trying to get my angles down here, okay? And then, over to a pan, nice hot pan. with oil. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, here's the walleye wing. Oh, walleye wing me. Walleye wing me. Oh, walleye wing me. Ooh. Yummy. Eli, are you excited for some fish? Me too. Me too. Attaboy. Coming up soon. Okay, we're gonna let this cook, and we'll see you right away. It's taking forever. Just kidding, it's only been in for like 2 seconds. A little salt as soon as it comes out. Oh, yes. As soon as it comes out, that's crucial. All right, well, we're all finished here. Beautiful little batch. And now here is that walleye wing I was talking about. You can eat the fins. I know it sounds crazy, but you eat the fins, just like chips. Just like that. And then right here. Oh. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. So good. That Everglades seasoning too. I swear to God, you guys gotta get some of that. Hit this with a little lemon. Wow. Let's see if young Eli wants to try some. Eli? Peach? Ooh, thank you. Good job. Okay, guys. Well, this concludes our broadcast day. We caught, we cleaned, and we cooked. Thanks so much for watching. This has been fun, challenging, but had a really good time doing it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like what I'm doing, give me a subscribe, like, and a comment. Let me know. Any criticism is greatly appreciated. I had fun. Hope you guys did too. Take care. This is Lake Life with Scotty D. We go.